My name is Howe Wang. I'm an additive manufacturing technician. I'm a Jiu Jitsu blue belt. It's kind of like you're playing a strategic game. You get to a point where you are trying to lure people into traps. So it gets very like chess matchy. I always like going to Asia, going back to Asia, just because like the culture's different, the nightlife's much better. It seems like Asians don't do much in the day, and then when night comes out, it's like everyone comes alive. Probably something like Sherlock Holmes, where it's like he's not limited to just being smart, you know, like he pursues everything to try to get better. I feel like that resonates with me. It's endure. So as a child, I was very, very impulsive, and I feel like there's a lot of situations in my life where had I endured a little more, things would have been better. I have my job in 3 words. 3D print stuff. Yeah.